Hello guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Sheets file accessible to everyone. If you guys create a new file on Google Sheet, it will automatically be saved for you only, or it is private. And if you want to make it accessible to everyone, you need to open the file and then you need to share the permission access of the file. So you just need to click on this share. So as you can see, now it is private to only me, but if you want to change it, you can just click on this share option. Okay, so just wait. And then here on the general access, you need to change it from restricted into anyone with the link. So just click on that. So now anyone on the internet with the link can view, and you can also change the role, whether you want to change it into commenter only or editor, so they can edit the file. So that's all for me. That is how you can make your file accessible to everyone. You just need to copy the link and then share it to other people that you want to share it with. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial.